So I got something to show you guys that is very random, I should say. Oh, I gotta turn this music off. Oh no. Alright, so if you know this case, you know what this is. But if you don't, you're like, oh, it's cool. Well, I'm into guns, as you guys know. And this is, I don't really need to read it yet, a pistol from Magnum Research made in Israel. And it is very cool. Basically, this is, let's see if you know it right away. So if you know what that looks like, you'd be correct. This is a Desert Eagle in 50 AE. It's pretty sweet. I picked it up just because wanted one for a long time, and it was really cheap. Not really cheap, but about, I mean, everyone that you see going for is like, I don't know, 1,500, $2,000, and this one was not mega cheap, but it was good enough for me to be like, all right, I want it finally. And the guy I bought it off was real cool, real nice Christian guy. So I don't feel like it's been in a crime or anything, so I think I'm pretty solid on that. Anyways, we're gonna go to Chris's shop right now. Anyways, yeah, we're going to Chris's, and we're gonna go make some videos on a couple of things he has. I'm not sure what we're gonna do yet, but we're going there to his shop. He always has a lot of toys. So I will see you guys when we're there. Does it run in your blood? Did it come from your dad? Chris always has the coolest crap, I swear. Look at this thing, boys. So this is for the Harley guys out here. I don't really ride bikes too much just because a little dangerous here in Michigan, but that's a wild man right there. He doesn't care. Yeah. He doesn't care, man. So what is this?
This is a 2015 Road Glide.
Road Glide. And
basically stock other than the grips, the front forks, and the Vance & Hines exhaust.
So you got the cool grips there, the cool black and milled fork cover thingies, I don't know what that'd be called, and a nice exhaust. I don't remember the brand.
You guys want to hear it?
Yeah, let's hear it up. I'm sure they would have heard it from the burnout. The ripped. See, I think it's really cool. It has the factory LEDs. Are those factory LEDs? That's sweet. It's so loud. That thing's sweet. Sorry guys, this one is not for sale yet.
I mean, I guess it could be for the right offer.
What's, I mean, like 18 grand or something.
4,600 miles, the thing's mint.
Oh, you're already selling it? You just said you weren't selling it.
I would for the right price. Everything's for sale.
That's a good model right there. Did you guys know Chris is, he had the black S10 that everyone's dying about. Stop texting me about that. I don't have that car. The thing has been sold for months. Yeah, I guess we could show you guys the Cummins build too, or is that secret?
Whatever.
Should we show them the Cummins build? Okay.
Hey, you guys want to check it out?
Yeah, we'll show them the Cummins build. They're gonna be like, what? Buy it, dude. Buy it off him. Damn, dog. So this thing is sick. Besides that part, you know. Yeah. Besides that whole issue, everything else is pretty sweet. So this is what, a 2006? Seven and a half
Megacab dually.
Oh, it's a Megacab dually with some. Did I spot some 10 lugs here? I did.
10 lug forces.
Oh, bro. Look at this thing, man. This thing's a hoss.
All rust free. Nice leather interior.
Look at that.
We even got the infotainment center.
Oh, got the nice screen. Oh, look at that. Oh, I gotta push the button back in there. Nice 2007 infotainment. Not bad. Look at this thing, boys. You'll see this thing towing some cool cars around pretty soon here.
Yeah, man, it's ready to tow. It's got the Suncoast trans, billet converter.
It's a 24 valve delete, right?
Huh?
It's a 24 valve delete, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not I don't know. Would you have low compression on it?
No, we had a rod knock.
You had rod knock?
We'll add a video of the rod knock.
How bad? Which one was it?
It was cylinder number 3.
Shaking a bunch?
Yeah.
How many miles does this thing have?
It's got 140,000 miles on it.
Really?
Yeah, but it got compound turbos, a stock
Oh,
turbo,
okay.
88 millimeter, fire ringed. You know, it's
So he was beating the crap out of it and it blew.
yeah. It made like 80 pounds of boost.
What?
Yeah.
Did it really make 80 pounds? No, like really.
No, for real, it made 80 pounds of boost.
What the hell?
I think it made like 600 or 700 horsepower. I don't know.
80 pounds of
I've never-
boost.
The only time I got to drive it was on.
Look at those compounds, baby.
There's the stock and there's the 88 millimeter.
Yeah. That's a big old Turbski.
So.
Look at this, like Cleveland's Farland right now. Big turbos and everything. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you want to learn some diesel tech, right? We'll have diesel tech Chris right here tell you guys exactly what's on the table.
Well, we got our push rods here.
Okay.
We got our rockers here.
Aren't push rods only in V8s like LS engines, brother?
Pretty much. We got our injectors here. Here, this is the rod cap from
Okay.
the rod that had the spun bearing.
Okay.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, what do we got? Oh my.
This is the spun bearing, if you can see in there.
Yeah. Oh, I don't think you can get on the camera. That is real scratched up. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oof.
Pretty much. So here's the other one. You might be able to see this one better.
Oh yeah, you can see that way better.
That was our problem.
Tad bit messed up when you got a like 7 horsepower running through it. I make you get all oily now. Just wipe it on the pants.
And as you can see, everything is covered in soot. That's because this engine was overfueled. It was
Yeah, I was
holding
wondering
too
why-
much coal.
I was wondering why everything is so black looking there.
But we're waiting. Here's our new crank. Gonna go in it. We got a fresh set of rod bearings.
Is it brand new?
Brand spanking new.
Well, you never bought anything brand new.
No, have to sometimes though. Can't always be cheap.
Be cheap. Yeah, it comes in a brand new freaking Harley. Cheap. I guess 15 is brand new to me.
It is.
15 is
it's
brand new to me. I think.
This is what I'm used to driving. It's clapped out junk.
Yeah, I can't believe I bought a. I have a 2020. Can you believe that? I think it's a lease though, but
it's sweet, dude.
it's pretty cool for what it is. For a Ram, that's a Dodge. It's
Yeah,
not a
that thing
Ram.
sounds good. You guys saw the video. If you haven't, go back and check it out.
Oh, there it is. Hey, Chris has also just started a YouTube channel for all the crazy stuff he does, or I'm gonna make him to. I'm gonna force him to because he can be definitely bigger than I am on there. I'm not even that big on YouTube, but he has way cool shit to be posting. So I don't know what his name is on there. Do you have one?
figure it out.
You didn't make it yet,
One
did
of
you?
these
You
days we'll
lied.
figure it
He
out.
said he's gonna go make a video with his girlfriend. He never did, so he's a liar. His girlfriend also has like a Fox body race car
Yeah.
with a 5.0 in it, Coyote.
She's cooler than me. It's not hard.
So, you know.
This might be something featured on my channel. 64 C10. We're doing an LSA swap out of 2015 ZL1. And,
And actually, the man's on his way right now, right?
yep.
Or he should
coming
be.
up. Well, the guy's on his way from Houston to drop it off in Dallas to my buddy's shop down there, and then my buddy's gonna ship it up here. It's a whole
Wait, it's literally coming today, though, right?
no. It's getting dropped off from Houston.
What was coming here in 30 minutes then?
A guy was supposed to come look at my 6.0.
Oh. Oh, the 6.0's for sale.
6.0's for
Oh, let's go
sale.
show them the 6.0. Come
It's
on.
not here though. It's
Oh,
on the phone.
man. Okay, well, 6.0 with 200,000 miles on it, studded.
Yep.
Has a little bit of rust, but who cares? I mean, you're buying a 6. Don't worry about the
And
rust.
$7,000 takes it home, not a penny less. You won't find a cheaper studded.
It's
6.0.
legit. It's legit. Like I would not condone junky trucks to people that watch my crappy videos. All right, I would not. That's a good truck, man. Truck's solid. $7,000. I almost bought it, then I bought a Dodge. I'm a trader, but it's not bad.
I don't blame you. That's way nicer than the 6.0.
The 6.0 needs a little bit of love, but I mean, really, for what the seats aren't ripped. I mean, the interior's clean. It has a 6-inch lift on it.
The only reason I'm honestly selling it is because I bought this, and this is gonna tow the big trailer that I'm gonna look for.
Yeah.
I would consider a sick non-deck over gooseneck, like the short, low ones that you can drive cars on easy as partial trade. So if
There you
anybody's
go.
got one,
You got the gooseneck and some cash. I think he might run you a deal.
yep.
Actually, honestly, we're pretty. Me and Chris both run by the motto of everything's for sale and offer up any trades you have because
Yeah,
in the
why
mood,
not?
you never know what you're like. If you're gonna offer him a freaking RZR, or
never know.
is it RZR or is it Razor?
Whatever you want to call it.
RZR 1000 Turbo, he might trade you. I don't know. You never know, guys.
If somebody pulled up with the right amount of cash with this thing, we could put all these parts in a box and you can take it home.
For sale. How much you want for it?
So,
Everything always has to be for sale, guys. You have to, because it's just trucks, and you can. There's millions of them.
hey, you guys want to learn about a quick Cummins mod if you're ever pulling a motor out or if you got to work on one?
Okay.
These right here.
What is that?
These are what you call shock tower deletes.
Shock tower deletes.
Shock tower delete.
I'm really ignorant toward this one. What is this? You're teaching me right now too.
Yeah. I actually learned this from my boy Jake, that's helping me with the Cummins.
Shock tower deletes.
Those bolt up. Come over here, I'll show you.
I don't understand what the. Oh, I get it.
All these shock towers sit up.
Yep.
You bolt these in, and it makes it sit flush. Because this gets in the major way, especially if you have compound set up on your truck. These get in the way when you got to pull it out and stuff.
Makes your life a lot easier. You didn't use them though.
Well, we're gonna put them in before we put the motor in.
So what will those run you?
About $50. I don't even remember who I bought them from.
eBay or something?
Something like that.
There you go. Shock tower delete if you're pulling an engine on a Cummins truck.
Especially compound setup. Who did I get? I got them from American Iron.
American Iron.
American Iron.
Shout out to
They were
American.
$50, worth every penny.
Haven't used them yet, but we'll know they're worth every penny.
Yeah, every penny.
Yeah, so I guess that's what we got going on today. The quarantine's kind of ruined our lives. Can't really
Gotta
do
stay
anything.
6 feet away.
Oh, you're right. This is 6 feet, man.
6 feet.
Whatever. Listen, Michigan here, our governor's literally Whitler. She's like a Hitler, man. She's making us stuck. Can't do nothing. Landscapers can work, but I can't. So I'm just out here making videos of Harleys. That.
You guys got any more questions about the Harley? Want to see anything else?
Yeah, we can. I mean, I can't get a bike because if I get a bike, sadly, I had to get my own house, and I'm trying to save money. So parents aren't very fond of bikes. If I can get one and sneak one over here at Chris's shop, that would be a different story. But I don't know about that. Then they'll see videos on YouTube like, whose bike is that? You know what I mean?
You never know.
Alrighty, we're on this vlog here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, say what's up. Follow Chris on some social media. I know you guys are probably interested. He's a very wild man. Has a bunch of cool toys.
Beluga, you can find me on Instagram.
There you go.
Beluga.
There you go. We'll throw a snap down below too. And
Yeah, you get to see all the fun stuff.
yeah, he does cooler stuff than me. So car related, I guess. I mean, he doesn't do any construction, but
I just sold my cool car, so I'm not even cool in the car community.
he sold a 1,000 horsepower vet.
Yeah.
You guys could have bought that one too. All right, peace out, boys.
Cause we going down, you know what I'm saying?